Hey everyone, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got three big Tesla news stories that every investor, owner, and fan needs to hear about. We'll dive into Cathie Wood's bold new price prediction, some unexpected turbulence in Tesla's India operations, and the key factors behind Tesla's recent stock surge. If you're holding Tesla shares or thinking about investing, you definitely don't want to miss this. So, let's jump right in. Lately, there's been a flood of news surrounding Tesla, and the stock price has been moving rapidly. But what's really driving these fluctuations? Today, I've handpicked three stories that are especially crucial for Tesla owners and investors to pay attention to. First up, we have a major prediction from ARK Invest's Cathie Wood. Next, we'll look into the recent drop in import tariffs for Tesla vehicles under the new US-UK trade deal and how that's impacting Tesla's stock. And finally, we'll discuss the sudden resignation of Tesla's top executive in India and what it could mean for Tesla's expansion strategy there. So, let's kick things off with Cathie Wood's latest forecast for Tesla stock. According to her, Tesla's stock could skyrocket to $2,600 by 2029. That's nearly a 9 times increase from its current price of around $300. The key driver behind this bold projection? Tesla's robo-taxi business. Cathie Wood believes that robo-taxis could account for up to 90% of Tesla's future revenue. Now, what exactly is a robo-taxi? It's essentially a fully autonomous vehicle that functions like a taxi service, generating income without a driver behind the wheel. If Tesla successfully rolls out its robotaxi network, every Tesla car could become a money-making machine, running 24/7 as a self-driving ATM, a concept Cathie Wood has been advocating for years. But there are risks involved in this forecast. First, the self-driving tech itself. Tesla's full self-driving FSD system still has a long way to go before it's truly ready for commercial use. And then, there's the regulatory hurdle. For robotaxi to become a reality, Tesla will need to clear strict regulations in multiple countries, a process that could take years. So, while that $2,600 price target is enticing, it's contingent on Tesla achieving significant progress in both technology and regulatory approval. What do you think? Are you buying into Cathie Wood's prediction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Next, let's talk about the recent surge in Tesla's stock price. Over the past few weeks, Tesla shares briefly broke through the $300 mark, largely driven by some major trade news between the US and the UK. Under this new trade deal, import tariffs on Tesla's Model S and Model X have been significantly reduced, making Tesla vehicles more affordable in the UK market. This could potentially boost Tesla's sales and market share in the region, a development that investors have been quick to react to. But that's not the only factor at play. There's also Tesla's upcoming robotaxi launch in Austin, Texas, set for June 2025, using the Model Y as its primary fleet vehicle. If successful, this could mark a major pivot for Tesla, transforming it from a car manufacturer to a service-based revenue model. However, much like Cathie Wood's prediction, the robo-taxi project is also facing some hurdles. Currently, full self-driving is only legally approved in a limited number of areas. So, the success of this project will heavily depend on regulatory approval in key markets. To sum up, the US-UK trade deal and the robotaxi project have certainly fueled Tesla's recent stock surge. But with so many unknowns, especially around self-driving technology and international regulations, it's still a mixed bag. What's your take? Is this just a short-term hype? Or are we witnessing the start of a long-term rally? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. Alright, the last big story we're diving into today is Tesla's latest shakeup in the Indian market. Recently, Prashant Menon, Tesla's head of operations in India, resigned after nearly 9 years with the company. Menon was a key figure in Tesla's India strategy, playing a vital role in establishing the company's initial foothold in the market. India represents a massive growth opportunity for Tesla, but Menon's departure has raised some serious questions about Tesla's strategy moving forward. Right now, Tesla is actively working on opening showrooms in major cities like Mumbai and Delhi, and they've been ramping up their hiring efforts across the country, but there's a significant roadblock. The challenge: India's tough stance on local manufacturing. The Indian government has been pressing Tesla to set up local production facilities in exchange for lower import tariffs, a demand Tesla has been hesitant to meet. Instead, Tesla has been pushing to first enter the market through imports, aiming to test demand before making any major manufacturing commitments. This conflict in strategy has been a major factor in delaying Tesla's market entry. Now, with Menon stepping down, Tesla's leadership in India is in flux. How will this impact their plans? That's something we'll need to keep a close eye on. Meanwhile, there's another wild card in play: ongoing trade talks between the US and India. If tariffs on EV imports are reduced, it could be a game changer for Tesla's India strategy. But until we know the outcome, Tesla's plans remain in limbo. So, to wrap things up, here's a quick recap of today's 3 key stories. 1. Cathie Wood's bold $2,600 price target for Tesla by 2029, all hinging on the success of their robo-taxi business. 2. The US-UK trade deal, which is set to lower import tariffs on Tesla vehicles, potentially boosting sales in the UK. 3. And the unexpected departure of Tesla's India chief, Prashant Menon, leaving a major question mark over their India strategy. Alright, what do you think? Is Cathie Wood's prediction too ambitious? Is Tesla's India strategy falling apart? Or is the US-UK trade deal the real game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of Tesla investors, fans, and EV enthusiasts. We're here every day, breaking down the latest news and insights to keep you in the loop. Thanks for watching, and as always, enjoy your Tesla journey. Quick shout out to everyone who participated in last week's Tesla stock poll. Let's check out the results. Last week, Tesla's stock went from $287.21 to $298.26. Not a huge change, but enough to shake things up a bit. We had 612 votes, and 64% of you correctly predicted that the stock would rise. Nicely done. And for those of you who left comments with your predictions, we had 6 correct guesses this time. Keep those comments coming. You might just end up on a winning streak. And speaking of winning streaks, we're launching a new giveaway. If you correctly predict Tesla's stock movement for 4 weeks in a row, you'll win a USB-C car vacuum cleaner, perfect for keeping your Tesla spotless. Now, there's a reason we're running these polls every week. First, it's to highlight how tough it can be to predict stock movements. Even the experts get it wrong sometimes, and by participating each week, you get a hands-on feel for just how unpredictable the market can be. Second, it's a great way to sharpen your analytical skills. Take a look at the news, make a prediction, and see how it plays out. It's a learning experience, whether you're right or wrong. So, if you haven't joined in yet, head over to the comments and cast your vote for next week's poll. And be sure to check out other comments. You might pick up some valuable insights. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Tesla news and investment insights. Have a great day and keep enjoying the Tesla life.